Hey, this is Puggles with H1 Airsoft, and this is E-Bike's Box of Awesomeness for the new year. This is guaranteed to come with a WE Galaxy pistol, a gel soft blaster for the primary, there's a bunch of M4s, one minigun, a couple AKs, and I think that's it. Let's get into it. So I'm going to use this Leatherman Signal. I got this around Christmas time. It's a very nice multi-tool, and I would definitely recommend it to anybody who loves the outdoors or just needs a good multi-tool. E-Bike sticker. Got this rolling target. E-Bike playing card, an M4. Gel soft blaster. A WeTech Galaxy pistol. And this Cybergun box. We got a black one. So in this box we have this owner's manual. We have this rail mount for the slide, I'm assuming, and the pistol itself. On this pistol is a high kappa magazine. All the high kappa features, of course, and a non-threaded barrel. Gotta say, this is looking good so far. We got the M4A1 CQB-R. Yeah, it looks like a cheap looking sling. A high cap magazine. Nunchuck battery. And the rifle itself. This M4 feels like it's mostly plastic. So this cleaning rod. Oh wow. Rear sight windage and elevation actually works. The gun, of course, has semi-full auto capabilities. This would be a good entry-level kind of gun. It's not so heavy that you need to actually put it on a sling for a long time, but it definitely has the features needed for a good airsoft gun. We also got this Gel Blaster Riptide. I gotta be honest with you, I don't know much about gel softs. So the gun itself feels pretty plasticky. You have this on and off switch back here. Looks like to be, oh, these are the gel balls to be used with the blaster, your charger and battery, your BB reservoir, or gel ball reservoir. You screwed them at the top, protect your glasses. I assume that these will be able to be changed out depending on the team that you're on. Finally, we got this ebike.com brand e-bike rolling target. Is that it for tape? This is all that comes in the box. Feels pretty plasticky. I'm not exactly sure how this would hold up against higher FPS guns. I think for a rifle, like the one that we just unboxed, I think that this would hold up pretty well against that. This has been Puggles from H1 Airsoft, and this is E-Bike's Box of Awesomeness for the new year. Check us out at h1airsoft.com.